My German husband loves Filipino pandesal, kaya naman, since nandito kami sa Germany, so ginawan ko na siya dito. Napakalali lang gumawa nito. I use 1 cup of warm milk, 2 and 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup sugar. Nagpatunaw lang din ako ng 1/4 cup of butter, tapos isang large na itlog. Mix mo lang lahat ng wet ingredients, then add 3 and 1/4 cup of flour. I use bread flour din, which is yung type 550. I-rest mo lang ng 20 minutes bago mo siya masahin. Pwede ka rin gumamit dito ng mixer. After 2 to 3 minutes na pagmasa, you can rest it again for 1 hour or hanggang mag-double ang size ng iyong dough. Make sure na i-rest mo ito in the room temperature. Tapos kapag nagdoble na yung size ng iyong dough, so pwede mo nang simulan hatiin whether you make it round pandesal or yung traditional pandesal. You also need 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to coat your pandesal bago mo ito isalang sa oven for 18 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. And now you can enjoy your pandesal